how to restore the scratch on this record to stop it popping. This song holds a lot of memories for me, so I hope I can make it better. I will show you 3 different methods. This is what it sounds like. Do you hear the scratch? Let's start by cleaning the area with alcohol and a microfiber cloth. The first method is to add a couple of coins to add weight to the needle. The reason is that the grooves may have dirt, dust and damage in them, so adding weight means we use the needle to essentially smooth out the grooves, as shown on my expertly drawn diagram. I then play the record a couple of times. You get the idea. Afterwards, I was happy to say that the pop was 1,000,000 times better than before. But I wanted to show you the second method, and that's using a toothpick instead of a weighted needle. This allows you more control to how much pressure you add. Okay, so the scratch is obviously visible still, but when we are playing it, it's not half as noticeable. I am very happy with this, but wanted to show a third method of cleaning out the scratch. You add wood glue to the scratch and then let it dry and peel it off. This will remove any contamination in the scratch to help the sound. I use contact adhesive as it's the one I had to hand. I let it dry, but maybe should have waited longer. If the glue doesn't peel as planned, don't worry, I used a cloth to remove the rest. Just keep rubbing as gently as you can. Okay, and now for the final test.